Hey guys, welcome back to another video of an American on the UK MSP. This time I'm going to be trying to get a girlfriend or multiple ones because I'm on a no account and we're just going to try. So we're going to start off by going in chat rooms and just saying 1, 2, 3 a date because I feel like that gets really far and we'll see if anybody messages. I'll be like message to date. Gonna move back to the region. See if I catch anyone's eye. They seem to just be really silent and just not there. So whatever. Skedaddle that. And we're just gonna go through the messages real quick. Is there a reason you messaged me? Yeah. Do you wanna date? I'm good. How are you? Hello. How are you? I feel like British people are really hard to get to date, and I don't know why. So I'm gonna give it a few attempts, and if I literally don't get a girlfriend, I'm gonna switch over back to USA server. Does it really matter? Does it really matter? Just act like one night stands don't happen in real life. Let's go to it. 1, 2, 3 to date. We got 2 guys, a bot, and a girl's AFK, and a new noob who's walking around. Hey. You're ugly. Yeah, we got no luck on the server, so we are gonna go back to the USA server and just go from there because. Oh wait, we got a combo. What's up? You there for her? Never. Oh, okay. But right when you think that it's literally the end, we got this. I missed it. That was really funny. But are you okay? Question mark. I wonder. I'm great, and you? I'm really good. Thanks. Do you wanna sub to my YouTube? I'm gonna do a bit of self promo. Let me send that to everybody. Okay. She got a man called Jamie JJ. That's hardly a main, it's literally like 2 more levels, but okay. Send her a request. Bruh, I failed my biology test, I'm so slow. I mean, she looks kinda cool. She's not a noob, she's just bored. Let's see where that goes. Type in sleep deprived brawl. I'm good. Thanks. Do you want to sub to my YouTube? Let's just try saying this to everybody. Like, do you want to sub to my YouTube? Do you want to sub to my YouTube? I think she blocked me, what? Actually, do you want to sub to my YouTube? Do you want to sub to my YouTube? Do you want to sub to my YouTube? I'm literally a troll and a girl, so sorry if I hurt you, but you're gonna meet you. You'll be on there in like 15 minutes. This is for my next video. Sure, okay. My channel's called Sleep Live Troll. Oh, I actually got a sub. Thank you so much. You're so kind. I'm actually actually just a girl trolling. It's funny, two guys literally hit on me at the same time as you. I'm just trying to get multiple MSP girlfriends, but it's a good kind of fail. Right, so people aren't actually that rude on the server. Thank you so much. Check it out again in like 20 minutes, and you'll be up there. Right, so this girl is actually really nice. So shout out to Peachcomb if you're watching this. I'm really sorry for calling you ugly. It was literally a joke, and I will hold your hand. How sweet! Thank you so much. Have you tried with guys? They're a lot easier. No, I actually haven't, but I feel like most of the guys on here are girls, you know? I think that's true. It's so rare. Why you thought like this? I was just wondering. Yeah, how do you do? Yeah, so this just turned into YouTube promo. And if I was level 6, I could make a forum posting about it and saying watch my YouTube video, but sadly I'm not level 6. Thank you so much for the autographs. One autograph. Let's give this girl an autograph. Yes. Right. Hey, you're in my view. I saw you yesterday. Oh my god! You saw me! Did you? Oh my god! I got a fan! That is crazy! You saw one of my videos yesterday or something, or must have seen me. I was trolling. Oh my god. That's good, and I would, but like I don't even have a YouTube account, I just watch it off of it. That's cool! Feel free to watch my videos. You're gonna be in the next one, which is the next one that's gonna be uploaded. My channel name is Sleep Deprived Fall. Probably, but it's funny, right? You know, I'll actually attempt that. Like, these people are actually really nice. They're not easy to get with, but they're really nice people. So shout out to basically all of these people. Apart from her, I don't know who she is. Oh, she's my best friend. Yeah, I was on this account while that's so funny. That's crazy. This isn't even a fucking troll video anymore, it's just me. Ah, thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks. Oh, she just kind of avoided my YouTube question. Just do my username. My channel is Sleep Deprived Fall. Deprived is not wrong. That's a very interesting name, and I tried to. I think he gets stuff a lot. Thank you so much. And yeah, first name that came up in my head. Okay, so I might dip over to the USA actually and try to get a girlfriend this time. So yeah, let's see. We are back. Hey guys, we are back on the American server this time, and I'm on my male troll on here. And we're gonna see how easy it is to date on here. So 1, 2, 3 date. And we're kind of just gonna see what anyone says. He's doing some crazy animations. Well, she's active, so I'm gonna send her a message. Skylar. Single, 16. Well, you're single, but you got someone in your spot, so you're not really loyal. I'm gonna say, hey, Skylar. Are you this guy? Anybody wanna trade? Gonna message her. Okay. So back in another chat room. 1, 2, 3 to date. Oh, See, look at this, look at this. Whew. Thank you, thank you. Oh my god, we got somebody, we got somebody. We got somebody. Hey. Whew. Sending a winky face. Do I tell her I'm actually a girl? I don't know. Wait, let's send her a friend real quick. Odette. What a really posh name. How are you? I'm good, thanks. How are you? So as soon as this one gets interested in me, I get other people interested? What the heck? Where's she going? So, as I assumed, I get a lot more messages on USA than UK, which kind of shows that USA girls are like more into the whole relationship thing, whereas UK girls don't really care. Are you religious because you're the answer to all my prayers? No, I'm an atheist. Are you still single? Yeah, baby. School. She's on Moviestarplanet.com at school? What the heck? Don't you get in trouble? Between online school? I'm lost. Can you give me directions to your heart? Are you French? Because I fell. I don't know if that makes sense. Are you from Tennessee? Because you're the only 10 I see. She's obviously getting these off Google, and I'm not, so. How rude. Oops, didn't mean to open that. Anyways, let's go to the cafe again. And she's really desperate. Are you sure you're not tired because you've been running through my mind all day? Jesus. I'm getting followed. How many is she sending me? This girl's asking how old I am. Oh crap, both of them followed me here. It looks like a player. Yeah, we talking DF you gonna do? What? Domo is emo. Weird by getting head. Jesus. Are you actually emo? Is there an airport nearby or is it my heart taking off? You mind? Question mark? How old are you? Sorry. That was my username a long time ago. But are you emo? My name is Ashley. My name's Zach. Zach, cool. I sent request 1 sec. Okay. Oh my god, I got a girlfriend. Oh, you have a girlfriend? What? Who the hell is Jasmine? Well, I'm gonna break up with her. Not anymore. Congrats. You already have a girlfriend. She's my fortune. Oh my god, I got so many messages. What is this? Sorry, I'm role-playing. Get some added tears off. What is wrong with you? I told you not to message him. He's angry. Send up the angry movie. Okay, I'm 16. Okay, cool. Guys, my messages are literally spammed up on this. So in conclusion, yeah, USA girls are 10 times more easier. So if you're a guy or a girl and you want to get with somebody and you want like a Moviestarplanet clingy relationship, go to USA. Don't go to UK because I literally got nobody in UK, but I got subscribers. So now I'm just gonna promote my YouTube and kind of just hope you guys give me some followers. Oh my god, why there's so many? Yeah. Right, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. I might be back later with another video, but this one is gonna go up, and I'm just gonna like tell everybody, hey, you guys are in a YouTube video and everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like and comment or whatever. And if you got any suggestions of what I should troll as, put it in the comment section if you want, and then I'll make an account and do it. Because, you know, I'm really bored and I'm doing online school and nothing to do. Thank you. Bye.